Well, when we got this, they didn't have any keys for this lock. Well, what you can do is you can look on the key. There's a number on there. And if it opened, remember that when we looked at, you can go back and pull a little pin out right here and take the lock out. So we took it in, got a key for it. And now we have a key. It's in there and locks. And now we can lock the toolbox on here. So another project done. So we got the antifreeze fixed, we got the ignition, we got the locks on our toolbox now. So that's going pretty good. We still need to get a mirror for the other side. They also have, these are set up for electric adjustable. So we're thinking about, they got some that are foldaways. We'll get those, and then ones that are powered on both sides, so we can run those power from there. And we might have to get another switch in here, but at least get this one here powered. The breakaway ends are nice because you can fold them back if you need to. And so that's the next thing. And tires. Just a little note on the front end alignment. We took it in to get front end alignment, and they made no adjustments. So I was able to put it back in perfect position. It still kind of pulled a little bit, but that was one of the belts on the tires was bad and doing that. So we didn't really need a front end alignment, but you never know when you pull everything off. So we spent, $900 or whatever it was for the front end alignment. They stuck it on a machine and said it's perfect. So that's always a good thing when you put it back together, and it was good. And I figured I might be off by, a turn or two on there, but I was right on. And that's why I put the tape on them when I took the old ones off, to make sure I get them back in the same spot. Otherwise, I was just kind of guessing. And so we're getting a little closer. At least it's drivable now, and everything is working. So now we can drive it. I wouldn't do it in the snow, and I wouldn't go too much with it because the tires are in really bad shape. There's a lot of cracks in them. So that's something else that's coming up. And stay tuned, and we'll fix more things in here.